Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm Fuji Dri-CHEM reference fluid. So as you can see, this is the front and the top view of the box, and you can see this is a temperature controlled device. It has to be kept between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. I'm in a temperature controlled room, and you can see the pack size is 6 into 8 ml. You can look it here. So let me show you the sides of it. So you can find the expiry date here, 2025-11, and the lot number. So this is the other side of it. You can find the manufacturing address here. It is made in Japan, Fujifilm Corporation. This is a C certified IVD product. Okay, let me open it for you. It's a little difficult for me to open. Yeah. As you can see, this is the reference fluid, and you can see, you can look at here. This is the Fujifilm Dri-Chemistry reference fluid 8 ml. You can find the lot, the expiry date, all these things here. It's the 8 ml. There are 6 8 ml bottles present per pack. So this is also the reference fluid. So as you can see, there are 6 8 ml bottle present per pack of Fujifilm Dri-CHEM reference fluid set. So you can see the 6 into 8 ml pack size. So this is the unboxing of the Fujifilm Dri-CHEM reference fluid set. So, thank you.